What's up, guys? Got a new shipment in today. Got this. Yeah, some stuff. First, I have the, correct. It's the new Apple Magic Touch mouse. Brand new in box. I did not even open it yet. Let's try it. Yeah. Brand new in box. So, it's pretty sick. I got this for free. Got hooked up. Magic Touch mouse for my MacBook or my iMac. Not bad. I'm not gonna open it just yet, but yeah, that's pretty legit. I'm gonna put it back into the bag, and yeah, I'll do another part of that later. And the other thing I got is the this mouse or this keyboard from Apple, the wireless keyboard from Apple. It's pretty legit. So in the box you get the keyboard by itself. Inside it's nice packaging. Very, very nice packaging. It's wireless, so you plug in the USB or whatever. I don't know. And then you got this. Yeah, so you got this too. It's not that good. I don't really like it that much. But it is a free shipment for me, so it's free. I'm gonna sell it or something. I'm probably not gonna use it. Not a big fan. But yeah. But this tripod is stupid. I hate it. But yeah, yeah, that's pretty much it. Not really an unboxing, I'm just opening the box of what's inside and stuff. Okay.